Phrasal verbs combine a verb with a preposition or adverb to create new meanings. Today we focus on go on. This phrasal verb has two main meanings for beginners to learn. First meaning is continue. Second meaning is happen. These are the most common uses in everyday English conversations. Go on meaning one is continue. This means to keep doing something without stopping. For example, when someone says please go on, they mean keep talking or keep doing your activity. The second meaning is happen. This describes something occurring right now or taking place over time. Please go on means continue speaking after pausing. People say this politely when they want you to keep talking during a conversation. Can't go on like this means you cannot continue the same situation or behavior anymore. Both examples show continuing an action that was already happening. What's going on is the most common question using this meaning. It asks what is happening right now in a situation. This has been going on means something negative has continued happening for a long time. Both examples describe events or situations in progress. Continue is the most direct replacement for go on when meaning to keep doing something. Proceed also works and sounds a bit more formal. Both words mean carrying forward an action without interruption. Use these single words instead of the phrasal verb in formal writing. Happen means an event takes place at a specific time. Occur is similar, but sounds more formal and is used in writing or news reports. Both describe situations or events currently in progress. Be happening matches the present continuous tense of go on. Go on holiday means take a vacation or travel for pleasure. Go on a diet means start eating healthier to lose weight. These fixed phrases always use go on with a noun. Notice the pattern verb plus on plus a noun for activities. Go on means continue or happen. Key phrases are please go on and what's going on. Use continue or happen as single word replacements. Practice with go on holiday and go on a diet. Now use go on confidently in conversations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.